Okay, so I'm going to try and get through this without coughing, sneezing or dribbling because I'm thick with the cold. That's thick, not sick. So, plug that's pulled out the wall. Firstly, I'll just remove this plug. Make sure there's no debris, anything loose around there. And then with some diluted PVA, because if you notice this is quite chalky, dusty. Seal the surface, kill the dust. And then I'm using polyfiller. Just fill this up, pushing it into the edges. Okay. Then with the plug, just unwind that screw, leave it in a little bit, and then just make sure it's fully coated with some filler. Just leave that now. That's okay for one fixing, but if it was a bracket and you needed to be more accurate, then you would fill that nice and smooth and let it go off. So just down here I did a repair. So taking into account that this is dried and just now ready for putting the bracket back on, so I can mark where this needs to go. If I just sit that there. And then just drill this out. Just have a look how much filler was here. So you can see where I drilled into with that one there, just above the battens. Big lump of filler. So just insert the plug. Okay, just need to make sure that's level. Now I can go ahead and just put the bracket on. Not waste that filler, I've used it up here on that patch. So this is going off slightly now. What I can do is just remove some of this thicker area, let it dry and sand it back, but I'll just shave some of this off. I'll leave that to fully dry before I remove that, sand it, and I can put my fitting back. Now some worn 120 grade sandpaper. I can remove this screw and just sand this down. After you've finished with the 120, I've got some worn 180, just lightly go over with that. Well, before I started this, I had some lemsip with half a teaspoon of honey, which really did help. And now I'm on hot blackcurrant, which is Ribena, with half a teaspoon of honey as well. All Ribena there, packed full of vitamin C, it's good. So the board itself now can have a touch of vitamin C. We'll put that on. Valspars, the matte, should look nice and bright. If you were only touching up, then you would need to just prime these before you touch up with your final coat. But this is going to have 2 coats. Goes well with grey, this orange does. Vitamin C. Should be feeling better after this, the old board will. So I'll just get this coated up and we'll let it dry. It's looking okay now, nice and strong. This polyfiller really does make a good strong repair. Now I just need to dose up on some more vitamin C.